Wairarapa TV local news for Thursday the 22nd of December. High levels of toxic algae have been found in parts of the Waipua River near Masterton, prompting authorities to warn dog owners to keep their dogs on the lead and people to avoid touching or swimming near the algae. Greater Wellington Regional Council has advised there is currently a medium risk of toxic algal warning in place for the Waipua River at Colombo Road. New Zealand's Te Vite vineyards and Craigie Range vineyards both reported a rise in full-year profit on the back of a solid harvest and improving prices as wine remains one of the Pacific nation's fastest-growing exports. Craigie Range, owned by the Peabody family, reported an operating profit of $2 million in the year to June, over double of the previous year. The company produces wine from Hawke's Bay, Martinborough and Marlborough. And in sport, continuing on with highlights of 2016, top honours were collected for rugby players and referees. Bex Marnie selected to referee and will become the first woman to play in and have refereed a test match. Chris Jeffries and Alistair Payne were assistants in the Meads Cup final. Greytown took out the Club Rugby Premier Division, while Tūhorangi won the Senior Reserves competition. In addition, Sam Monahan and Eddie Cranston were selected for the New Zealand Heartland 15. For Wairarapa TV Local News, I'm Brent Gare.